Find a comfortable seat or lie down. Close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and out. Allow your shoulders to soften. Breathe naturally. With every breath, feel your body settling deeper. Notice the points of contact, feet on the floor, hands resting, the rise and fall of your chest. You are safe. You are present. Now imagine a warm wave of light starting at the top of your head. It moves slowly down, across your forehead, easing any tightness. It flows to your jaw, neck, shoulders, releasing tension as it goes. Let the wave continue down both arms, through your chest, your belly, hips, all the way down your legs to your toes. Each breath makes you softer, calmer, deeper. As you relax, imagine a staircase before you with 5 wide steps. With each number I count, step down and feel twice as calm. 5, 4, deeper. 3, 2, almost there. 1, calm, open, receptive. Now picture a small bright seed in your palm, a seed of possibility. It glows with gentle light. This seed holds a single truth you want to imprint. See it clearly. Feel its warmth and calm. Silently, or if you wish aloud, repeat your chosen short affirmation 3 times, slowly. Example affirmation. I act with calm confidence. 1. I act with calm confidence. 2. I act with calm confidence. 3. I act with calm confidence. With each repetition, imagine the seed glowing brighter, sinking gently into the soil of your subconscious. Now press your thumb and index finger together lightly, or choose a small physical anchor. As you do, feel the calm confidence in your chest. Link the touch to the feeling and the words. This is your anchor. In the future, a quick press will call this state forward. See yourself later today, calm, making decisions easily, moving with confidence,